What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. I just received a package. Okay, so this is the microphone stand, professional recording microphone stand. Let's set up for one of the part files. There you go. Okay, here's the stand's arm. I'm just going to quickly set it up for you. Okay, so this is the professional microphone stand. It's pretty cool. It's got like adjustable clamps basically on the angles of the arms or on the elbows of the arms. So then you can just adjust the way you'd like. So it's adjustable on the one end. It's also adjustable here near the head. See? And then it's got this clamp right here at the bottom that clamps onto the desk or the table. So that's pretty awesome. Comes with another little stand. I'm just going to quickly put this on. All right, as you can see, where you can actually mount your phone or your mobile device or your tablet. I don't think this clamp is big enough for tablet, but yeah, mobile devices of different sizes. I think a tablet, yeah, you'll need to get a different clamp for that. I'm just gonna quickly take my phone and show you guys. Yeah, you see, it's pretty solid. Right, that's it. So I've got the box here for the professional microphone stand, and yeah, it's actually made in China. Who would have guessed? Everything's made in China nowadays. They're very good. They know what they're doing. They're good at making stuff. Great country. As you can see, it comes with this mic filter, this attachment. I think this is necessary because so that you don't, when you're talking to the mic, basically that you don't spew saliva onto the mic and indirectly over time damage it, so that it can last longer. So yeah, that's probably the reason for this filter over here. Right, so guys, yeah, I hope you like this review on the professional mic stand, and I'll see you guys in the next video.